Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Another day, another vlog, another new recipe guys. Today for dinner we're making rice and lettuce, what you normally call kamande. So join me guys, and kindly guys subscribe, like and share. And for those who have already subscribed, keep on liking, keep on sharing guys. I appreciate you so much and thank you for your support. Thank you, and I love you guys. So let's get cooking.